When I took up this, I was like, oh my god. And 25 pounds shouldn't be that heavy, but this is a lot of work. $20.25. Today is a fake snowed in day because there's literally no snow here for us. So I'm gonna use this time to prep my smoothies, and then I'll go live doing it as well. So I'm gonna prep my smoothie then for the week based on how much I have. So if based on how much I have, probably 2 weeks, but let's see how that goes. I'm gonna like take out the fruit, put them together, put them in a Ziploc bag, so that way when it's time for me to use them, I can just go ahead and take it out. Okay guys, I am all done, but look at the aftermath because I did go live and did the meal prepping on live. Yeah, but honestly, this is the reality of the meal prepping. Of course, when you're meal prepping, are the cute videos, it's to make it cute and aesthetically pleasing. But when you're meal prep, you're meal prep, so there's things that are going to be all over the place. This is the result of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean this up now. I'm just gonna start now cleaning this up, trying to put the place together. 2025, like, listen to me. Having a community is so important because I started off 2025 and I had a moment where I'm like a down moment, and I was like, I just have some thoughts. And then I did my community meeting yesterday, and now I feel so much better and more up in spirits. Or maybe I'm going through the cycles. So when I'm going through the cycles, I like to get a lot of content out of the way. Everything we need for do, not just content, just overall. So that when I have those down times, I can just be down and be like, okay, I have things pre-recorded. So even like with me doing this now, this is something that's going to be pre-recorded. Not that pre-recorded because I'm probably going to post this like tomorrow anyways. It is the second workout of January. I'm gonna see how it go. So yeah, I'm gonna do my stretch and my yoga and my ring and my this and my that, and see how much we can get outside for today. I'm starting late today. It's almost 12 o'clock. I should have done this from earlier, but I'm going to Walmart earlier. I'm not like I have to do this in the middle of the day because I don't get things done on my computer, but I also have to work out today. Like I don't want it to miss me. So I'm gonna do some stretch and do one workout instead of 3 today. Alright, so I'm finished the stretch. Stretch is 20 minutes, usually 20 minutes. I love the long stretch. Them just work for me better. Prefer them. And yeah, so usually when I just start workout, me I do like, you know, I like to go all in like 5 times a week or something like that. But I realized from the past that after like 2-3 months I kind of stop. So I start slow. I did 1 time last week, 1 time this week, and then I slowly increase it. But usually I'm gonna do the 1 time then. It's a couple workouts, so I'm gonna do an hour. No, I'm gonna actually do the workout. This one calls for dumbbells. I don't have dumbbells, so I'm working back up my strength. Like I'm gonna do strength training. Today is lower back and abs, so I probably do the medicine ball, or I'll do body weight to help build my strength. I think tomorrow is gonna be strength training for me if I decide to do it tomorrow. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start that now. 3 or something. All right, so I just said I didn't have any dumbbells, and it's because when me used to do my dumbbell workouts, my weight training, 10 pounds, I feel like 10 pounds is what I had. But I was like, I don't know what, like, it's like after age a certain age, like 30 or something, I don't know what it is, but everything just feel heavier and harder for me to do now, which is strange. Because even when I did start workout little, like a year or two ago, I could have just start with a 10 pound and I'd just be fine, like eventually pick it up. But you know, things and times change, so I have to do, I'm gonna do what I did the last time. I'm gonna do my strength training, which is what I'm doing now. I did strength training for like 2-3 months before I actually upgrade to certain weights. So I had a 10 pounds. I don't have the 10 pound anymore. When we did go to TJ Maxx, I didn't even record when I went to TJ Maxx. Anyway, I went to TJ Maxx and I got some 5-pound weights. These are really for when I'm doing Pilates or yoga, but mega incorporate them into my dumbbell training. Start off with the 5 pound, because even them I feel kind of weighty. I don't know why. And oh, forget my foot weights. I have ankle weights as well. I start off with them there and then upgrade to the 10, or this one. This one, I'm a 25 pound. And this, when I took up this, I was like, oh my god. And 25 pounds shouldn't be that heavy, but this is a lot of work. So, you know, little by little, we're gonna get there. So I'm gonna start with I'm gonna start with my 5 pound and see how far that get me. But I'm gonna put on my ankle weights right now, because why don't I have those on? We need as much we need some resistance. In the tech long, I need my thighs them to get tight, I need my body to get firm up. Of course, my fear eat right, but may I eat enough? Let me have to start somewhere, right? All right, my finished workout. I just recorded about 2 little short videos. I'm probably gonna post them on shorts, and on my TikTok, I might post them on my Instagram. I don't know if I want to post them over there. I don't even want to sign into it, but I'm gonna post them on that. And I done workout. Damn, this is really like a dry fit suit, because all of the sweat dry. Because I'm show you my sweat stains. But I'm done, and I got 1:30 now. I have to edit a video for post it. I don't know if I'm going to post that one today, but I'm going to edit the video because what we say, 2025, it's up. It's up in everything. If I just broke up, it's up. So I'm going to edit, and I have an application to fill out, to a job application. So I'm going to do the job application there, edit, and that is it for the day. So I was going to go ahead and edit the videos right now, but I had a thought that it is 1:30. Instead of editing and then cook, I'm going to cook first and then edit after, and that even if the kids do come home, I can still push my editing to like tonight when them go sleep, so that will work out fine. But I'd rather to have the dinner ready first, because I don't want to have to stop, because sometimes when I'm in the mood and the groove, I want to just finish. Okay, I want to just finish everything. I don't want to I mean, what the word? Yeah, I don't want to stop. So I'm gonna go cook some pasta today. Cook it the last time. Okay guys, somebody start cooking thing, and then well me never start cook like my cut up meat and seasoning. I realized I'm not have no pot because my pot is not here. So I'm gonna wait for it come. Alright, so while I wait for the pot and stuff, we're gonna go cause I could probably boil it in my other pot, but whatever. We're just gonna fry up the seasoning. I don't know if you can see me. I'm gonna fry up the seasoning and then the chicken. So that way by that time we'll have the sauce with the chicken, the seasoning, and we can just wrap it up. We're gonna go ahead and make some. Well, I'm gonna do that. I might just make some juice too. Make some ginger. So I know my favorite, the ginger and maybe lemonade. I might just use actual lemons. I only have 2 lemons. We're gonna make something work. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, it's all done. So I'm all done now, as you can see. But are you like a clean while you're a cook person, or like when you're done? Because me end up leave everything for when I'm done. So now I'm gonna wash up all of my plate, put to everything, clean up while that cool. Since that's cooling, I'm gonna clean up, put all of my stuff in. So that way by the time I'm done, the pasta done cool, we can mix it around again, and then we can eat it. So I'm gonna sort out the dishes them now. Autumn gonna in practice. I mean AJ gonna in practice, so I got the dishes. That's a wrap for the night. Yeah, so that's a wrap for the night. I am going to go ahead and eat. I'm gonna take my lock off the camera now. It's time for me to go ahead and eat. Call it a night. I might edit. If I edit, I'm gonna pick it up back. If not, I'm gonna wrap it up, and that's a wrap for tonight. Yeah, above the influence, never below it. Until next time.